Excavators extracting terracotta clay from quarry. Heavy equipment mining natural reddish-brown clay delivering thousands of tons daily to roof tile factory. Dump trucks transporting terracotta clay to tile factory. Reddish-brown natural clay advancing toward processing facility producing millions of roof tiles daily. Terracotta clay dumping at tile factory reception. Natural reddish-brown clay unloading into processing system beginning transformation into premium roof tiles. Terracotta clay aging in stockpiles. Natural weathering conditioning reddish-brown clay, improving plasticity and workability for roof tile extrusion.
Primary crusher reducing terracotta clay size. Reddish-brown clay chunks breaking down, preparing for fine grinding and mixing for tile production.
Roller mill grinding terracotta clay to fine powder. Crushing reddish-brown clay, achieving uniform particle size, perfect for roof tile extrusion.
Fine terracotta clay powder emerging from mill. Reddish-brown powder with uniform particle size ready for water addition and mixing for tile extrusion.
Pug mill preparing to mix terracotta clay powder. Advanced mixing equipment blending reddish-brown clay with precise water content for perfect tile extrusion. Precise water addition to terracotta clay powder. Controlled moisture creating perfect plasticity in reddish-brown clay for extrusion into roof tile shapes. Intensive mixing creating uniform plastic clay. Pug mill blending reddish-brown terracotta clay with water forming consistent material for millions of roof tiles. Plastic terracotta clay emerging from pug mill. Perfectly mixed reddish-brown clay with ideal moisture content ready for extrusion into roof tile shapes.
Vacuum de-airing removing bubbles from plastic clay. Creating dense reddish-brown terracotta clay preventing defects in fired roof tiles.
High-capacity extruder preparing for roof tile production. Powerful equipment forcing plastic
Extrusion die shaped for curved roof tile profile. Precision opening forming reddish-brown terracotta clay into characteristic S-shape or flat tile configuration. Automated wire cutting system preparing to separate tiles. Precision equipment cutting continuous reddish-brown clay column into individual roof tile lengths. Wire cutting through soft terracotta clay, creating individual curved roof tiles from continuous reddish-brown clay column with precise length control. Freshly cut roof tile showing perfect curved profile. Individual tile in soft reddish-brown terracotta clay ready for drying, maintaining shape through careful handling. Freshly cut tiles advancing to drying system. Multiple reddish-brown terracotta roof tiles moving carefully, maintaining curved shape through drying process. Robotic systems placing wet tiles on drying racks. Automated handling positioning thousands of reddish-brown terracotta roof tiles hourly for controlled drying. Wet roof tile positioned on drying rack. Reddish-brown terracotta clay tile beginning controlled moisture removal process preventing warping and cracking. Pre-drying chamber removing initial moisture from tiles. Controlled temperature and humidity gently drying reddish-brown terracotta clay preventing rapid shrinkage. Main drying tunnel with progressive temperature zones. Reddish-brown terracotta tiles moving through controlled drying reducing moisture content from 20% to under 1%. Tiles showing color intensification during drying. Reddish-brown terracotta deepening as water evaporates revealing natural clay color preparing for kiln firing. Humidity control preventing drying defects. Monitoring moisture ensuring reddish-brown terracotta tiles dry evenly without warping, cracking, or excessive shrinkage.
Hot air circulation accelerating tile drying. Controlled airflow removing moisture from thousands of reddish-brown terracotta roof tiles moving through tunnel.
Fully dried roof tile showing natural shrinkage. Reddish-brown terracotta tile moisture content reduced to under 1%, ready for kiln firing.
Quality inspection examining dried tiles. Checking reddish-brown terracotta roof tiles for cracks, warping, or drying defects before expensive kiln firing.
Glaze application area for decorative tiles.
Natural unglazed terracotta tiles maintaining traditional appearance. Reddish-brown clay color preserved through firing, creating classic Mediterranean roof tile look.
Kiln loading, preparation, organizing dried tiles. Thousands of reddish-brown terracotta roof tiles positioning for high temperature.
Tunnel kiln entrance for continuous tile firing. Massive kiln operating at over 1,000 degrees Celsius.
Kiln cars loading with dried roof tiles. Refractory carts carrying thousands of reddish-brown terracotta tiles through high-temperature firing tunnel. Loaded kiln car entering preheating zone. Reddish-brown terracotta roof tiles beginning gradual temperature increase preventing thermal shock during firing.
Kiln firing zones, creating controlled temperature profile. Tiles progressing through preheating, firing at N50 degrees. Roof tiles at peak firing temperature. Reddish-brown terracotta glowing at 50 degrees Celsius as
Chemical transformation creating ceramic from clay. High temperature fusing terracotta particles producing strong water-resistant roof tiles from soft clay. Cooling zone gradually reducing tile temperature. Controlled cooling preventing thermal shock and cracking in freshly fired ceramic roof tiles. Fired ceramic tile showing beautiful terracotta red-orange color. Natural clay minerals creating characteristic Mediterranean roof tile appearance through high-temperature firing. Fired ceramic roof tiles exiting tunnel kiln. Thousands of terracotta red-orange tiles completing firing transformation ready for quality inspection and packaging. Fired tile surface showing natural terracotta texture. Slight color variations and texture creating authentic Mediterranean roof tile character from clay firing.
Quality inspection examining fired ceramic tiles. Checking terracotta roof tiles for firing defects, color consistency, and dimensional accuracy after kiln processing.
Automated vision systems sorting fired tiles by quality grade. High-speed inspection classifying terracotta roof tiles into premium, standard, and utility grades.
Premium grade roof tile showing perfect quality. Flawless terracotta red-orange ceramic.
Standard grade tiles with good quality. Terracotta red-orange ceramic with minor color variations acceptable for most residential and commercial roofing projects. Utility grade tiles offering economical option. Terracotta red-orange ceramic with more pronounced color. Precision measurement verifying tile dimensions. Ensuring fired terracotta ceramic tiles maintain proper length, width, and curve profile after firing shrinkage.
Break strength testing verifying tile durability. Sample terracotta ceramic roof tiles testing confirming firing produced strong weather-resistant roofing material.
Water absorption testing confirming proper firing. Verifying terracotta ceramic tiles achieved correct porosity preventing excessive water absorption during rain.
Approved tile batch passing all quality tests. Premium terracotta red-orange ceramic roof tiles verified for strength, dimensions, and appearance ready for packaging.
Automated stacking organizing roof tiles for shipping. Robotic systems arranging terracotta ceramic tiles in stable patterns for pallet loading.
Robotic palletizing stacking thousands of roof tiles. Automated arms building stable pallet loads of terracotta ceramic tiles for warehouse storage and shipping. Roof tiles precisely arranged on shipping pallet. Terracotta red-orange ceramic tiles stacked in interlocking pattern ensuring stability during transport. Forklifts transporting tile pallets to warehouse. Moving thousands of terracotta ceramic roof tiles to climate-controlled storage awaiting customer orders. Advanced inventory systems tracking tile stock. Computer management ensuring terracotta roof tile availability meeting construction industry demand for millions of tiles.
Order fulfillment selecting tiles for construction projects. Workers picking premium, standard.
Loading dock preparing for tile shipments. Trucks positioning to receive pallets of terracotta ceramic roof tiles for delivery to construction distributors. Sample tiles displaying product options, showing terracotta red-orange color variations and profile styles, helping customers select perfect roof tiles for projects.
Specialized packaging protecting tiles for retail sales. Individual wrapping and boxing terracotta ceramic roof tiles for home improvement stores and small construction jobs.
Export containers loading for international markets. Terracotta ceramic roof tiles shipping worldwide, meeting global demand for traditional Mediterranean roofing materials. Shipping documentation facilitating international tile distribution. Customs paperwork and certificates enabling terracotta roof tiles to reach global construction markets.
Quality certificates accompanying tile shipments. Documentation proving terracotta ceramic roof tiles meet international construction standards and building codes.
Distribution trucks departing with roof tile shipments. Vehicles carrying millions of terracotta ceramic tiles to construction sites, distributors, and retailers nationwide. GPS tracking monitoring tile deliveries. Real-time location data ensuring terracotta roof tiles arrive on
roof tiles delivering to construction site. Pallets of terracotta ceramic tiles unloading for installation on residential or commercial building projects. Construction site preparing for terracotta tile roof installation. Roof deck and underlayment ready for beautiful traditional clay tile roofing from factory.
Skilled roofer positioning terracotta ceramic tile. Expert craftsmen installing fired clay tiles creating durable, beautiful roof lasting generations. Terracotta tiles interlocking in overlapping pattern. Curved profile creating weather-tight system channeling rainwater off roof preventing leaks. Roof installation progressing across building. Multiple rows of terracotta red-orange ceramic tiles creating traditional Mediterranean appearance providing lasting protection. Tiles securing to roof deck with clips or nails. Proper fastening ensuring terracotta ceramic roof withstands wind uplift and extreme weather conditions. Ridge tiles capping roof peak. Specially shaped terracotta ceramic pieces finishing roof crest providing weather protection and decorative appearance. Completed roof section showing terracotta beauty. Red-orange ceramic tiles creating timeless Mediterranean appearance protecting building for decades. Terracotta tiles showing natural color variation in sunlight. Red-orange ceramic reflecting light. Completed building crowned with terracotta tile roof. Beautiful red-orange ceramic tiles from Clay Factory, transforming architecture with traditional Mediterranean character.
Terracotta ceramic tiles demonstrating exceptional durability. Fired clay roofing withstanding decades of sun, rain, wind, and temperature extremes, protecting buildings.
Terracotta tiles providing thermal benefits. Red-orange ceramic reflecting solar heat, reducing building cooling costs in hot climates through natural properties.
Terracotta roof requiring minimal maintenance. Durable fired ceramic tiles lasting 50 to 100 years with occasional inspection and minor repairs. Historic buildings with original terracotta roofs lasting centuries. Proving fired clay tiles from traditional production methods create truly permanent roofing material. Clay tiles representing sustainable roofing choice. Natural earth material requiring no petroleum products, creating environmentally responsible building material. End-of-life terracotta tiles recycled into useful materials. Crushed ceramic becoming landscape aggregate or construction fill, eliminating waste.
Tile factory implementing environmental practices, energy recovery from kiln heat, emission controls, and efficient production, creating
advanced production creating millions of roof tiles daily. Automated systems from clay mining through firing, producing terracotta tiles meeting global construction demand.
Consistent quality through controlled production. Every terracotta ceramic tile from factory meeting dimensions.
Terracotta roof tiles appearing globally. Mediterranean clay tile tradition spreading worldwide creates terracotta tiles enhancing diverse architectural styles. Red-orange ceramic roofing complementing Mediterranean.
Complete journey from clay quarry to beautiful roofs. Natural reddish-brown terracotta clay transforming through mining, processing.
Raw clay beside finished terracotta roof showing remarkable transformation. Natural reddish-brown earth becoming beautiful.
Giant tile factory, producing millions of roof tiles daily. Leading manufacturer transforming natural clay into
Blending traditional tile-making craft with modern automation. Honoring centuries of terracotta roofing traditions. Terracotta roofing heritage spanning millennia. Ancient clay tile tradition continuing through modern factory.
Beautiful terracotta roof representing tile factory excellence. Perfect red-orange ceramic tiles from natural clay, creating